Are you struggling with hyperpigmentation? Do you need a face wash that soothes inflammation, repair the skin's moisture barrier, and help to get rid of hyperpigmentation? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will tell you top 5 best face wash for hyperpigmentation that contain brightening agents to neutralize uneven melanin production. Also, this face wash got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Revision Skincare Brightening Facial Wash. This brightening facial wash by Revision Skincare is best choice who are dealing with sensitive skin issues. The cleanser has a thick consistency that falls somewhere between a gel and cream and creates an ultra-rich lather when in touch with water. This face wash is as soothing as can be, with a super simple ingredients list: soothing licorice and lily extract and nourishing vitamin E and wild tree extract, both of which are excellent antioxidants. It contains brightening ingredients that even out hyperpigmentation, also contains salicylic acid to soothe inflammation and acne. When the formula of a face wash lathers this good, you can get away with using very little product for the entire face and neck, meaning it will last you a long time. This creamy wash is a good pick for people with allergies or very dry sensitive skin, as it will effectively remove makeup and all while leaving your face feeling soothed and supported. People with psoriasis or eczema can use this too. Number 4. Instanatural Vitamin C Cleanser. Vitamin C, the key ingredients in this cleanser, is a tried and true antioxidant for skin brightening and collagen boosting benefits. This face wash refines skin tone and texture, hydrating and refreshes, decreases the appearance of blackheads and pores, and helps reduce and prevent the appearance of wrinkles, dark spots, and fine lines. It can protect against environmental stressors and even work to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. So if an uneven skin tone and unwanted dark spot are concerns of yours, it's a must for your skincare routine. It is the ultimate facial cleanser for all skin types. In addition to vitamin C, this cleanser is also rich in other good for skin botanicals like aloe vera, chamomile, cucumber, coconut water, and green tea extract. The cleanser itself, which is a lightweight gel, has a refreshing feel and leaves your skin feeling comfortable and balanced. So, if your acne is what's leading to temporary scarring, reduce your breakouts with a vitamin C face wash like Instanatural face wash. Number 3. Glytone Mild Cream Cleanser. The Glytone Mild Gel Cleanser is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a face wash with glycolic acid to help fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots. The main active ingredients in the Mild Gel Cleanser is glycolic acid, the most potent member of the AHA family of acids and the one that works the fastest and most efficiently. Some of the main properties of glycolic acid includes its ability to exfoliate the dead skin cells that sits on the skin surface, thus shading hyperpigmentations, brightening the complexions, and evening out the skin tone over time. You will get the best results by using this cleanser a few times a week, on evenings when you are not using other actives such as other exfoliating acids or retinoids. Glytone Mild Gel Cleanser also contains potassium hydroxide to restore optimal pH balance to your skin and leave it plump, supple, and relieved from concerns such as texture, uneven skin tone, dark spots, and even deeper issues such as fine lines and wrinkles. The Glytone Mild Gel Cleanser is an excellent product to have in your arsenal of anti-hyperpigmentation agents and can yield fantastic results over time if used properly. Number 2. Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Since leave-in products are going to be the most effective for treating hyperpigmentation, it's absolutely fine to choose a gentle cleanser that you can use twice a day to get your skin clean and prepared for your serums and moisturizers to work most effectively. It is a daily face wash with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin to help hydrate skin without stripping moisture. It removes face makeup, dirt, and excess oil, provides 24-hour hydration, and leaves a moisturized, non-greasy feel. Their unscented, exfoliating, acid-free wash is a good, gentle yet hydrating cleanser, so many artists prescribe it as the best face wash for hyperpigmentation. It provides thorough cleaning without stripping it of moisture, and it aids the restoration and maintenance of the skin's natural protective barrier. It's also perfect for those who with sensitive and acne-prone skin. The result is absolutely baby smooth skin that I can't stop touching and a much younger, healthier looking face. Number 1. Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Glow Recipe's Blueberry Bounce Gentle Foaming Cleanser is another excellent choice if you are looking for a face wash that will brighten your complexions and help fade away those pesky dark spots that tend to linger for a long time after a pimple has healed. Seaweed, blueberry and raspberry extract, hyaluronic acid, licorice root, and the power of AHS make Glow Recipe's Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser an effective face wash that tackles a variety of skin concerns, such as congested pores and hyperpigmentations. The cleanser has the consistency of a lightweight goo gel that creates a good lather when it touches water, so it's safe to say that you don't need more than half a pump of product to effectively cleanse your face and neck. The cleanser is formulated without drying alcohol, making it a good option for those with dry skin. However, it does contain fragrance, which is something you should watch out for if you tend to be sensitive to this component. So if you prefer fragrance-free products, choose a different cleanser from this list.